Okay, so we're going to tie another version of the Mosely May now. The modern convention is to replace the pink with yellow, so essentially the same fly, but using pink or using yellow hackle instead of the pink. Right, so we have a B175 here. You can use 170 because it's a lighter wire if you feel like it. And the tail on this one is about 6 or so fibres of natural cock pheasant. Length up to yourself, but we're going here for about 1.5 to 2 times the length of the body. Rip those off. Now, rib is oval gold. So I'm going to tie that in, keep it sort of to me and on the underside. And the body we made before, which was this, which was a mixture of roughly 50-50 of yellow seal and hare's ear, and then a little touch of olive hair put into it. So we dub that on, make a dubbing rope, and wind on the body, leaving maybe a quarter of the shank left to put on our hackles. Rib that, tie it in, and then I'm going to fold that back in a couple of wraps just to keep it in place. So there's 3 hackles on this one. The pink Mosely had an olive hackle, blue dun and a pink. This time we're going to replace the pink with a yellow hackle. I chose to go for a slightly duller yellow. It's actually a picric yellow hackle, and I'm going to have all 3 hackles held here together at the same point. I've just stripped off a little bit of the stalks, so all 3 tied in at the back. You can try this with hackle pliers if you feel like it, but one will tend to slip out, so I'm going to wrap all 3 hackles at the same time. Three wraps takes it to the front, tie it off, and I'm just going to pull all back. Nick them off. Now, the previous one I showed you how to do the under wrap by using some brown floss. On this one we're going to use the figure of 8. I'm going to turn my fly over, and then I'm going to separate it out. So you can see I've now the hackle split underneath. So I'm going to take my thread, I'll show you it this way, and I'm going to go back, and then in behind my hackle I've come round the back of the hackle again to the underside here, and I'm going to go across it there, and then get a wrap on at the head. You might be able to see that there, there's like an X figure of 8 across the bottom of the hackle. So having that on now, I'm just going to put on a couple of half hitches to finish that off. That essentially is the fly tied. We just need to varnish it. Here I'm going to use super glue as per usual. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to just put a little bit of super glue right onto that X, because to me that's a sort of a weak point. If a tooth gets into that, little dab of super glue just to the underside, and then coat the head also. There you have a yellow Mosely May with the X weave underneath.